Now this is the BMW 2010 X5 3-litre diesel with the single turbocharger. It's a magnificent car, really. I love driving it. With this one I changed the dash to include the oil temperature gauge. I did that because originally it had the mile per gallon or fuel consumption meter in litres per 100 kilometres, and for me it was pretty useless. You accelerate, it goes to 20 litres per 100. You let the foot off the pedal, it goes to 0. Yet there was no temperature gauge normally there unless you use the hidden menu. So I thought this would be a much better idea, and while I was at it, I thought I might as well just change the rest of it and add the litres to the fuel gauge. As far as the gauge goes, the temperature gauge, that needed to be recoded, and luckily there was a very intelligent Russian who came up with a simple method, a simple program to do that. I should provide a link in the description. So you can easily change that so it no longer reads it. You don't even have to change the actual cluster. You can leave it as is, just recode it, and then the needle will operate as a temperature gauge, even though it's still the original, and you can always change it back, you know. So apart from that, you know, this car is just got everything I could want. Great fuel economy, great performance, smooth, quiet, reliable. Got the M57 diesel. It's just, it is a sporty type of driving for considering the size of the vehicle. Features it's got, reverse camera, DVD player, the usual things, and sunroof. Yeah, that's I never use that really, but it's I guess it's, you know, all part of these luxury features that these BMW X5s have, and quite affordable now in 2021. Yeah.